What is up? Tuesday morning. About to see Nikki. Nikki and I are about to eat adobo. That's a Filipino dish. It's so good. You look beautiful. I like that. I like that shirt. We're cheating on Whole Foods, so we're to what are we looking for?
Oh well, we need butter. I don't know. Oh, butter is down there.
Like the other side?
They have pumpkin flavored.
We don't need this stuff. No. Good gosh, Nikki.
What?
What?
Can you try them for me? Or just bring?
I'll hold this stuff for you. We've been inspired by Good Mythical Morning. We kind of want to do like a blind taste test challenge, and we're just trying to find something that has like 6 different brands. Are there like 6 different apple juices? Kids drinks.
Kool-Aid, Hi-C.
Juicy juice.
That looks scary. It looks like an acid. So what flavor do you want?
He said you didn't want anything sweet. These are the sweetest. Oh, yeah. That's pure sugar, babe.
Yeah, I want chocolate milk.
We've decided on chocolate milk.
Oh no, that's not chocolate. They have 4. I thought that was chocolate.
Well, then that's a no-go. We're about to do a chocolate milk taste test, and I guess let's go ahead and get the candidates out. We have Oddwalla chocolate protein shake. We have Bolthouse Farms Protein Plus chocolate shake. We have True Moo chocolate milk. We have Food Lion chocolate milk. We have, oh my gosh, this was actually sitting on the shelf warm.
It's organic.
Or organic chocolate milk. Rock and Refuel chocolate. Is that chocolate milk or chocolate shake?
It's a chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. Nesquik chocolate milk. I think that'll be the best. And Core Power chocolate shake.
I don't know. I feel like.
I already knew True Moo was gonna be the best.
So we do like. How many rounds are gonna be there?
8, right?
Yeah.
A B C D H G H.
Did you record this?
I'm starting though.
Okay.
Let me make sure.
That would be a waste of. You're not recording it.
No. It just dies at the middle of the shoot.
Do you want to do an intro?
No, we're ready.
Oh no! If he like lifts it up,
Then don't look at it.
yeah, don't look at it. When you...
Trust you.
Yeah, I'm actually don't trust me.
I bet they don't know. It's. Is it thick? It seems thick, but it's thin when you look at it.
It's really sweet. I'm thinking.
Huh?
True Moo.
That tastes True Moo.
I don't think she started out that easy. I feel
Or
I think that was pretty bad, so I'm going with Food Lion chocolate milk.
True Moo. Write down your answer. That's the first one.
Actually,
No, put it right there.
what are they?
I can't keep reaching over. So
No, just I said put it right there so we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
girl.
Oh, make sure you.
Oh yeah. It looks the same.
I mean, I don't even know.
That's definitely milk. The other one was.
The other one wasn't milk.
That's definitely
That's
milk.
Ew!
This looks thick.
It has the aftertaste like the smelly warm milk. You'll see. I think that's definitely not a shake. That's. I think that's.
I feel like this is the organic.
I was about to say that's the organic.
Gucci,
That's her
join
as
them.
organic.
I'm gonna go Oddwalla.
That's dark.
Ooh.
That's chocolate milk.
I think that's a shake.
The light ones are like shake. That's all I know. What's the price?
There's no price.
I know it. I know it. This one's easy. Where up it goes.
Well, that's good.
I know that one. That's Nesquik. That's Nesquik.
I don't think so.
That's Nesquik.
It's thick.
Yeah, that's Nesquik.
That's
I've had
Nesquik.
Nesquik. I've had Nesquik before.
But that's thick. I feel like
That's
it's.
Nesquik.
I feel like that's Bolt House Farms.
Yeah, we should do that.
Covered in
Okay, this is light again. This is a shake.
I already had one.
That's I can.
The only two I don't have is the Bolt House and the Rockin'.
I can feel the protein in that. That's rock and refuel.
I almost feel like this is Nesquik.
You were so off. Nesquik.
No.
The last one was Nesquik.
No,
I know
it
that
wasn't.
much. I know that much.
Mm-mm. I'll do Nesquik.
That tastes like so organic.
He obviously hasn't had any organic.
That's core.
I was gonna go with 4 power. One rock and refuel. It's like
That one's dark too.
whoa. That's true move. And you'll see. That's true move.
This is not true move.
If that's
I
anything,
know my true
if that's
move.
anything
I know my
other
true
than
move.
true move, you win. Okay, because that's true move.
This is a protein.
I'll bet it all on that. That's true move.
That's not true.
Right?
That's the Food Lion one.
No, that's not Food Lion. Rock and refuel protein.
You were off. That looks like a shake to me.
What?
Yep.
See.
Wait, I thought shakes are lighter in color.
Oh, ew! Ew! No, wait. That's a shake. That's disgusting.
Oh god.
That's bad.
I almost feel like that's rock and refuel.
That's bad. That's bad.
It smells bad.
Wait till you taste it. Oh, that's right.
It's so grainy.
That's bad. I'm gonna go.
That is
I'm gonna
not-
go odd walla because that was odd.
Wow.
I'm going Rock and Refuel.
My gosh.
We're
that was-
all different. Like
That was
this
disgusting. This is lit.
is. This is.
Shake. A milk and a shake mixed together.
I'm gonna say that's Boathouse. Boathouse Farms.
Like,
There's like a weird taste to it.
that's like a rice.
I don't know. I'll put Oddwalla.
You don't even know. That's Boathouse.
Do you know?
That's Boathouse. I know it's Boathouse. We're on the last one, so this next one has to be Core Power.
No.
This next one has to
Food
be.
Lion.
This next one has to be Bolt House.
That's definitely Core Power.
Oh shit.
That looks like Bolt House.
I think
But Bolt House is like
that's a shake. I can see the chunks of Core Power.
What's the life
Mine too. That's bad. I know chocolate milk's better than chocolate protein shakes.
I think that's Oddwalla. And the last one was Food Lion.
You think that's Food Lion chocolate milk?
The last one.
Okay.
Not that I've tasted the last one.
I feel like that's Rock and Refuel at that.
4 is Food Lion.
This is Core Power.
1 is
One's still True Milk. I feel. Yeah, this is definitely True Milk.
Oh, make sure you.
1 is Nesquik. Number 3 is Rock and Refuel.
Number 7 is Nesquik.
Okay, number 1 was Food Lion.
What?
Food Lion was
Did you
good.
put Food Lion? I thought that was True Move.
I thought that was True
I thought
Move.
that was Nesquik.
So that's Audi.
Alright.
Ow!
Oh my. Alright, for the bonus round. So this is gonna be 2 points each?
3.
What if you get one milk right?
Yeah, you
Three.
get 1 point.
One, and if you get both right, then 3 points.
No, actually, let's make it 4 points. 2 points if you make one right.
Okay, yeah, 4 points. 2 points each.
Okay.
It's lit.
Oh, boys, 1 point on the board.
This has a shake
It
in it.
doesn't even matter. If
This
you...
has a
Are you
shake.
recording right now?
Did you
Yes.
did you mix it?
Let me make sure.
Did you mix it?
That has True Move.
Jumu and
There's a shake in there.
I think it's Food Lion. And
That's
Okay.
what was it?
what was the thick one that I thought?
That's True Move and Boathouse.
Food Lion and Odwalla.
This is Odwalla.
There's no Odwalla.
No, because I mixed up what I was thinking. This is Odwalla. I had Boathouse, but remember I was like, this tastes odd, so I'm going Odwalla. The odd one is Boathouse. That does not taste odd.
It's core. It's core. The
I'm
right
going Food Lion and Nesquik.
Rock and Refuel. And then I had
That's what I thought too.
I had a little bit of milk and stuff.
And I think the Horizon.
I'm going
There's something sweet in there.
They're all sweet, Basti.
That's not sweet.
For the first one, what did you say?
True Move and Odwalla.
True Move.
Well, I said Food Lion and Odwalla.
I said True Move and core.
You got it right. It was Rock and Refuel and Horizon.
That's what I got in the second one!
You got wrecked.
Are you
Yeah.
sure that's the first one?
Yeah. I think so.
Girl!
You did not get
Wait,
this.
no, what was the second one? Or what were your answers to the
Rock and
first one?
Refuel and
All of you.
Nesquik.
Food Lion and Nesquik.
Oh wait, was the True Move one right?
Because my second one was exactly the first one that you said. And then my first one is Food Lion and Odwalla.
Oh my god.
What's the second one?
I don't know, because the second one it was Oddwell and True Move.
Oh!
Did none of us get anything right?
Are you sure you didn't get it mixed up?
I'm pretty sure I didn't.
I finished with 3. You finished with 1. And
I finished with one.